Hello beautiful people and welcome to the Luther's Rides channel. Behind me we have a 1988 Toyota Land Cruiser. We're going to be spraying it in its original dark gray code color. So what we have here is a few areas that have needed some work done. So for the rest of it, I have hit it with a gray scuff pad, which is basically like a 600 to 800 grit, so that base coats will adhere to this color. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna primer the whole thing all the way down. We're gonna be doing the sides and we're gonna be doing the back, the tailgate. So we're gonna hit it with sealer. We're gonna hit it with the dark gray base coat immediately after. And we're gonna hit it with a Luma Base 3000 clear, which I know is like a little higher than mid-grade. You know, it's a pretty nice clear. It's good quality stuff. So we have the whole ride masked off. I'm not going to bore you guys with the prep too much. It's just the glass cleaner, the wax and grease remover, and then we did the tack cloth. We did the Premier tack cloth. We went around the whole thing with it. Now we're about ready to spray the sealer. So let's get into it.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
I know, but I can never match your name or face. My fault, I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall, calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I'd hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall.
Okay, We've got 3 coats of base. Then the very next thing, we're gonna mix the Luma 3000 clear, and we're gonna hit that on. Now the one thing I'll say is if you're a beginner painter, the main thing you need to focus on is just don't stress. Whatever gets you in your happy place, whether that's good music or you just think of a happy thought while you're in there, and you can really focus, because things go wrong. They can and they will. Even just now, I had all of my sealers in the cans. They were old, so they were goopy. You couldn't mix them properly. They were just hard little rocks at the bottom of the can practically. Had to get that sorted. This happened to me before. Sometimes the pressure is wrong. Sometimes a hose has a kink in it. Sometimes the paint is not mixed properly, or it lays down dry, or too fast, too wet. There's different things here, and there's a lot of different variables with painting. So just take your time, and that's what we're gonna do.
Grace, I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.
Okay, everybody, it's been about 10 minutes. I've just cleaned out the shop, you know, just all that fume. And here she is. You guys can see me here. It came out pretty nice, I have to say. It's really glassy. You can see just straight. Let's go over here. Look at that color. Just cool. And there I am. Hey. But yeah, so finished the clear. You guys can see, sprayed the tailgate too. Cleaned that up. Yeah, this came out amazing. What do you guys think? I can't Okay guys, here she is. Here are the magical results of the paint job and the vinyl striping that my dad and I did here. Super clean. Just walk around, give you guys the full view here. Okay everybody, that's a wrap on the Toyota Land Cruiser paint job. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end if you did. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Got tons of more paint content coming your way via shorts, long form. I appreciate everybody that's been reaching out. Really enjoys these videos just as much as I do making them. I really love painting cars. It's just probably my favorite hobby ever. So for other fellow enthusiasts or car lovers out there, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.